Whiskey, along with beer, is one of the alcoholic drinks that is most appreciated by lovers of good liquor. These are some apps to differentiate a good whiskey and find out many more details that lovers of this famous drink appreciate. Whiskey Suggest has detailed information, both tasting and quality, of more than 75,000 whiskies from around the world. The app has a tool to scan barcodes with which, when scanning the code of a whiskey, it will show us all the tasting details of the same, so that we know if we can like it or not. It also allows you to search for whiskies by flavor or by similarity with others. At the same time, we can create our own library with our collection, share it with others, review our whiskies, and find new products and add them to a wish list. Distiller. This application is the Google of whiskey, as it has a wide variety of tools related to whiskey. First of all, we can introduce every whiskey we have or have enjoyed it into our collection. Based on this information, the app will offer suggestions about drinks that you may like. We can also browse reviews from other users, share our own reviews, and get very detailed information about any whiskey on the market. Whiskey Journal. In short, it is a social network for whiskey lovers, since it connects with Facebook to see what whiskey our friends are drinking. In addition, it has a database of 4,000 different brands and whiskies, with filters to find whiskey by country of origin, type, year, or brand. It also allows you to create a personal journal and a collection of our liquors, create a wish list, share reviews, add tasting notes, and learn new things about whiskey.